Hi and welcome to the workshop, and here's a quick update on what's going on. Well, actually it's a really hot day again. I didn't think we'd have a hot day like this in the middle of September, but anyway. Last time I told you I was going to do some alterations to my bench, and indeed I have. As you can see here, I've shortened it, taken about 2 foot off the end, so it now fits really nice in the workshop. I better get my other bench next to that. So excellent if after COVID we get back to talking, back to teaching again. So I've got 2 big benches in there. I've got my sharpening station set up over here. Everything I need there on top and in the cupboards. And I've also got space for some of my speciality planes and other bits and bobs underneath. Did manage to poke some holes in the screens as I was doing that work, so a bit of repair to go on with that. And I've also got my small bench in here if I'm teaching younger woodworkers. I'm hoping to be able to teach my nephews a little bit. I've sorted out all my scraps and brought into the workshop here and stored in these boxes, and on top of these boxes all the bits of cut-offs that I want to try and use up in little projects over the next couple of years. I put up some simple storage here for a lot of my unplugged tools, larger ones. I've started to get my medium-sized clamps all organised in the corner here. These are the ones that I generally use in this workshop. I've also got some long sash clamps there as well, which occasionally get used down here. Now recently you would have seen the Carb video where I made the Carb Fit, so the device for losing weight, and you will also have seen quite recently the video making this Japanese handplane. But what you will see in the future is using that Japanese handplane to turn it into I've forgotten what the name of it is now. I'll put it up at the bottom of the screen. Basically it's for shredding dried tuna. So we'll be showing you how to make that in an upcoming video. Now, used on both this and the Carb Fit, I've been trying out Brandon Bespoke's finishes, pure mineral oil and a wax oil treatment. See how they get on. And this is now a month old. It's looking really nice, feels really nice. I've been using the Carb Fit in the kitchen for a few weeks now as well, so that's been getting washed, and the finish is staying really quite good on that too. And of course it's a finish you can keep putting on. The other thing I've been doing recently, and you may have seen if you've been following on social media, is a bit of bending. And this isn't something that I generally do. I do it on very small things, so if I'm making small models, prototypes, that's easy enough to do with a microwave. This one, I'm using the right wood. This is ash, so that should bend really well, but as you can see from the colour, it's got some spalting in it, and we had quite a disaster with that one. Same with this one, a lot thicker, same problem, spalted, and it's just breaking. We got to a bit better material, still from the same log, but less spalting in it here. That's worked quite well. I might better use that. And this one here, probably the best so far. So getting better at choosing the right material and using it for steam bending, and that's hopefully something that I'll be able to show you in the not too distant future. You also see on this bench loads of little bits and bobs to do with tools, and I'm trying to get these done for years now, but I never seem to have time. So I'm making sure they stay on the bench now until they get finished. So I've got planes to make, planes to adapt and repair. I've got an axe that needs rehandling, marking gauges that need some work on them. So plenty of stuff to keep me occupied there. Plenty going on. Hopefully be getting videos out reasonably regularly, and I hope you'll enjoy them. I'll also be getting out articles in magazines. So if you've been watching out on the Guild of Master Craftsmen magazines, you'll be seeing some stuff from me in there too. So that's all for now. Take care. I hope to see you soon. Cheerio.